Welcome. In this module, we're going to talk about 8 principles of risk management specified by ISO 31000-2018, and we're getting this information from the Risk Practitioner's Guide to ISO 31000-2018 as per the URL on the screen. Let's take a look at further details. Now, this is the layout from Figure 3 of ISO 31000, and we had talked about in the last module about the risk management framework, and there were 5 characteristics of the risk management framework. Now in this module, we're going to take a look at 8 risk management principles. So these are the 8 risk management principles, and this will help us to understand the concept of risk management and what we're trying to achieve. Integrated, structured and comprehensive, customized, inclusive, dynamic, best available information, human and cultural factors, and continual improvement. Let's take a look at each of those principles. The framework and processes should be customized and proportionate, first of all. So basically, they should be consistent. Appropriate and timely involvement of stakeholders is necessary when we're doing or conducting risk management. This is principle number 2. Principle number 3, the risk management should be structured and comprehensive approach is required. Principle number 4, risk management is an integral part of all organizational activities. Principle number 5, risk management anticipates, detects, acknowledges, and responds to changes. Principle number 6, risk management explicitly considers any limitations of available information. Principle number 7, human and cultural factors influence all aspects of risk management. And principle number 8, risk management is continually improved through learning and experience. Now, the first 5 principles provide guidance on how a risk management initiative should be designed, and principles 6, 7, and 8 relate to the operation of the risk management initiative. The latter principles, meaning 6, 7, and 8, confirm that the best information available should be used, human and cultural factors should be considered, and the risk management arrangements should ensure continual improvement. The first 5 principles, on the other hand, are concerned with the design and planning of the risk management initiative, and these principles are often summarized as proportionate, aligned, comprehensive, embedded, and dynamic paced, PACED, as shown in the next table. So this is paced principles, the first 5 principles: proportionate, aligned, comprehensive, embedded, and dynamic. Risk management activities must be proportionate to the level of risk faced by the organization. They must be aligned. Risk management activities need to be aligned with other activities in the organization. They need to be comprehensive. In order to be fully effective, risk management approach must be comprehensive, it must be embedded, and it must be dynamic. Risk management activities need to be embedded within the organization and must be dynamic and responsive to emerging and changing risks. And this was the detail about the 8 principles. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.